brown bear, what do you see? Brown bear, brown bear. Brown bear. What do you see? I see a red bird.
A bird.
A bird. Can you point to the bird? Good job. Red bird, what do you see? I see a yellow. What is that? Is that a duck? Duck? Where's the duck? Can you point? And what sound does a duck make? Quack, quack, quack. I see a blue horse. A horse! What sound does a horse make?
Neigh.
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 I see a green frog looking at me. Where's the frog? Good job. Green frog, what do you see? I see a purple cat. What sound does a cat? Oh, what sound does a meow? I see a white dog looking at me. What sound does a dog make? Woof, woof. I see a black sheep looking at me. Sheep. What sound does a sheep? Bah. Black sheep. What do you see? I see a goldfish. What sound does a goldfish make? Goldfish. What do you see? Oh, are you sleeping?
Nap time.
I see a teacher looking at me. A teacher. You say teacher? Oh, those. Where are the teacher's eyes? Where's the teacher's mouth? Do you see her mouth? Where's her? What? Where are the teacher's ears? That's her eyeglasses. Yeah, those are her eyes. Okay. Children, what do you see? Wow. Can you point to the frog, Reid? Can you point to the frog? Where's the frog? Good job. Can you point to the fish? Where's the fish? Do you see the fish? Good. Where's the dog? Where's the woof woof dog? Can you point to the dog? Can you point to the dog? That's the teacher. Dog. Can you point to the horse? Good job. Can you point to the bird? Can you point to the duck? Where's the duck? Good job. Can you point to the cat? Where's the cat? And can you point to the sheep? Where's the sheep? The sheep goes bah. Do you see the sheep? Good job, buddy. Great job. Okay.
High five, Reid.
You want to get another book?
Another book.